If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep your product counts accurate in QuickBooks Online, this quick guide will make the process feel effortless. Today, you'll learn exactly how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online using a simple, beginner-friendly workflow that keeps your numbers reliable and your business running smoothly. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Head to the familiar login page, enter your credentials, and continue to your dashboard. Once you're inside, focus on the left side of your screen where you'll see the New button. This is your main gateway to creating transactions and managing inventory. Click New, and a drop-down menu will appear. Under the Other category, select Inventory Quantity Adjustment. This tool is extremely helpful when you receive new shipments, make corrections, or just want to tidy up your records at the end of a season. After selecting the adjustment option, you'll need to choose the product you want to update. QuickBooks gives you a clean field to type in the product name. Be as precise as possible. Using the correct product IDs and names ensures your digital records match what's physically on your shelves. Think of it like snapping the right puzzle piece into place. Next, enter the updated quantity. This number should reflect the actual amount currently in your stockroom. Take your time here, since even a small mistake can create bigger issues for your financials later. Once everything looks accurate, find the Save and Close button at the bottom right of the screen and select it. With that one click, your inventory records are officially up to date. And that's it. You've just successfully added or adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. It's a quick process, but each step plays a key role in keeping your business organized and your financial reports accurate. Make it a habit to review and update your inventory regularly so your numbers stay aligned with real-world stock. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to smoother, smarter inventory management.